2020 Select Football Hobby. All right, Roger, here we go. Thanks again. See what we can get you. See what we can get you. You wouldn't want a Bernie auto? I don't even think he's in this. Empty. Here we go. Oh, I thought I felt something crawling on me. I was about to say no, sir. All right. Rookie, Gabriel Davis. James Conner. All right, we got a tie-dye already to 25. Club level, DeMarcus Lawrence. Nice hit there, Roger. That is 1 out of 25. First printed. Nice D-Law. DeMarcus Lawrence. Silver, John Elway. And field level, Chase Young rookie. Yes, Ben, these are all personals on here. You can find everything we've got available at this link, LaytonSportsCards.com. Daryl Taylor, rookie. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rookie. Got snapshots of Deshaun Watson. Silver club level, Jameis Winston. And Noah Igbohini, rookie. Aaron Rodgers. We've got Chase Claypool, rookie. A Troy Aikman, club level. Jake Fromm, tricolor out of 199. Have here, out of 75, RPA, Anthony McFarland Jr. Booger Jr. out of 75. We've got Joe Montana. Mr. Montana. All right, Zach Moss, rookie. Damon Arnett, rookie. We have Phenoms of Christian McCaffrey. Silver Joe Montana. It's a Joe Montana box. And we've got a Blankenship rookie. All right. We got Jalen Hurts, rookie. Khalil Mack. Phenoms, Josh Jacobs. Silver field level, James Morgan. And Derek Carr base. Brandon Ayuk, rookie. D. Swift, rookie. We've got, out of 60, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, white patch. ICEH. A silver rookie, Justin Jefferson. Nice JJ. And CJ Henderson rookie. Kirk Cousins, Anthony McFarland Jr. We've got a blue checkerboard out of 149, Aaron Rodgers. Nice Aaron Rodgers there. It's Rodgers. Silver Justin Jefferson. Nice, another one. And Daniel Jones, field level. Yep, LaytonSportsCards.com, and then there's a personals tab. That's where you can find everything we have available. Marlon Davidson, rookie. We have rookie selections, J.K. Dobbins. Silver rookie club level, Tyler Johnson. And Jordan Love, rookie. Jonathan Taylor, rookie. Got Daniel Jones, field level. purple, Jake Fromm. That is 51 of 75. Jake Fromm. Got silver, Lamar Jackson. And Julio Jones. Matt Stafford, Bradley Chubb. Rookie selections, Chase Young. Silver, Russell Wilson. And Denzel Mims, rookie. Austin Jackson, rookie. Jake Fromm, rookie. Bo Jackson selections. Silver, Tua Tagovailoa. Nice silver Tua there. There you go. Yeah, we were talking about a little bit earlier, Jeff. And Josh Allen. People were just bringing up different products that they may release again. So that would be cool. Yeah. All right, last pack here for you, Roger. CMC. We've got KJ Hamler. Oh, we've got green. We've got green. A Jalen Johnson rookie for the Bears. 1 out of 5. Nice low-numbered rookie there for you, Roger. Jalen Johnson. Green velocity. 1 out of 5. And next up, out of 49, maroon, rookie auto, Jordan Love. Nice J Love rookie auto. And then last card here for you, Roger. We've got a rookie of Darrington Evans. All right, congrats on those hits. Thanks again, Roger. We'll be getting this right out to you.